Look, listen and say.
The boy is running very fast.
The girls are playing. Let's play with them.
What are the children doing in the park?
Discuss what you see in the picture. Now, look at the picture from your book and say what is happening.
Language focus. Statements in the present continuous. We use the present continuous to talk about things happening now. I, you, he or she or it, we, you, they, am, are, is, are playing with Mehnaz.
I'm playing with Mehnaz. You're playing with Mehnaz. She's playing with Mehnaz. Now make new sentences. Talk about the picture in Activity A. Use the present continuous. Eat, cook, sit, look at, fly, stand. Let's see some examples. Eat, sit. I am eating. I am sitting. You are eating. You are sitting. He is eating. She is sitting. They are eating. We are sitting. Now make more sentences.